Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Epson EcoTank ET-5150. I'm going to show you how to scan to computer. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your laptop are connected to the same network. In this case, we connected this printer and laptop via Wi-Fi network. Open up the glass scanner and stick the document you want to scan face down. So make sure the document starts from the right, from the arrow here. Then close the printer. Go to the menu. Select scan. Scan to computer, cloud, or WSD, web. So want to scan this to computer, select computer. Then select preview on computer. Then you select save as JPG or PDF. Select PDF. Then select computer. And it will show you the laptop. So the laptop is showing. Then select save. Now this document is scanning, and if you look on the computer, the document is scanning. We can preview it on the computer here. You can see the process, the progress. The printer is busy and also showing us the ink level. This is the document we scanned. This is the document we scanned. If you double click it, so this is the document we scanned. This document, if you want to print it out, you select print on top, select print, and the printer is showing us ET-5150 series network, and it's ready. So you can select how many copies you want to print and select all the features you want to print in one document. So you select how many copies and select print. Now this document is printing. Printing completed. This is the document we scanned and also printed it out. If you want to save this document, it's already saved in the computer. You can also select file, select save as, then you decide where you want to select this PC or browse. If you select browse, then you select where you want to save this document, download, select save. This document now is saved. This is how to scan your document from this printer to your computer. I also want to show you how to scan document using ADF. Stick the document you want to scan on top of the ADF. Then go to the scanner. Select. Go to the scanner. Select computer. Select this computer, then select preview on computer. Then you select PDF, select save. Now this document is picked up the document. And this is the document we scanned. Double click it to open. This is the document. So you can print this document out, you can save it and do so many things with it. So this is how to scan your document to the computer. I'm happy with this printer and it deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed and stay blessed. Thank you.